Hey, what's up? It's Coach Dunbar here, shooting just a quick video before November 12th, when we'll be doing the CTA BOI report filing walkthrough. So I wanted people to kind of know what it was. I know there's still some people that don't understand exactly what's happening. So we decided that we were going to put together a walkthrough. We've got a guide for the walkthrough as well. And anybody who just says, hey, look, hands off, laissez-faire, I don't want to deal with it at all. For $49, our company will file it for you. You just need to send us a couple of documents over and we'll get that done for you. But for those that are saying, hey, right, I don't want done for you, I want DIY, we're going to take care of that for you. So for those that don't know, I am Coach Dunbar with TBD Coaching. I am one of the lead coaches for TBD Coaching. And what I want to do is just let you know what it is. So again, this is going to be a pretty short video. It's not really to go over CTA or BOI report filing. It's just to let you know that we're going to be doing a live 30-minute walkthrough on it. And for those that can't make the walkthrough, the video will be available, but also there's already a walkthrough guide available. So just know our company has already put together one explaining what you need to know about CTA. We have a guide for that, and then we also have a step-by-step walkthrough guide. So if you are going to be joining us November 12th, and that's going to be at 7 p.m. Eastern, again, 7 p.m. Eastern for 30 minutes on November 12th, if you want to get registered for that, go to the link inside of the description of this video, right? If you're looking at this video on YouTube, then in the description, you will see a link that will allow you to download, not download the guide, but to take you to the landing page, the information page to download the guide. So it's going to say download the guide here, but when you click that link, it's going to take you to the information page, which will give you a little bit more information about CTA and BOI. So we have an information page, a page where you can just download the walkthrough step-by-step guide. And then we also have a link in the description that will allow you to literally register for the Zoom. This is a free event. It's literally just to make sure you understand how to file. We're going to do the walkthrough live on that training. Again, November 12th at 7 p.m. We're calling it Understanding BOI Report Compliance. And basically it's just, hey, are you a business owner? Have you filed your BOI? Do you know what CTA is? Do you know why it's important? We want to make sure that you stay compliant. This is not about fear mongering. It's not about talking about all the fines and what can happen in jail time. And we're going to mention that those are penalties because it would not be it would not be good service for you to be on there and us not mention it, but we're not going to fear monger you. We're not going to sell you on our $49 service to do it. Anybody who just clearly does not want to bother with it, y'all can pay us $49 to do it. Those who saying, hey, DIY, I'm going to do it myself. Remember, you can either do it, walk through with us while we're doing it, look at the video later on our YouTube channel, or you can simply just look at the guide and take the steps step by step and put your answers in a box that are required based on your particular company that you have. And all the exemptions are on the two guides as well. Well, on the first guide, there's no exemptions on the second guide, but on the first guide, it'll let you know what companies are exempted. And most companies are required to file. So again, I'm not going to go into those details here on this video because I want this video to be short. So take a look at the guides, download the guides, get the information. So what will we be covering in the webinar? What is CTA? What does BOI mean? Are you required to file the BOI? Are you considered a beneficial owner yourself for your company? We're going to be talking about what information is needed to file a report, and then the best practices to avoid common mistakes and how to ensure compliance and minimize risks. That's kind of what we're going to be talking about. Again, summing it all up within 30 minutes, 7 to 7:30. We may do a little bit of Q&A, may not. It depends. Understand, on our information page, on our Corporate Transparency Act information page, we actually have about 8 or 9, I think it's 8 frequently asked questions on that page. So if you go there, you can look at it, you can click, it'll answer your questions. You can also register for the training, the complimentary training that we're going to be doing, a webinar that we're going to be doing on Tuesday, November 12th at 7 p.m. You can actually register there on that information page. So again, looking at this on YouTube, look in the description section. You will see those links. If you're looking at this via email, then the email that you're looking at this video in will have those links there as well. So all you have to do is come back out of the video and then look at the actual content in the email, and you'll see those links there as well. Again, if you're looking at this on any social media site, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, anything like that, if you're looking at it there, then the post that you see this video in, those links will be in that post. I will make sure that my team has that set up that way. They will look at the video before they post it, so they'll know that they should be doing it. But again, this is Coach Dunbar, TBD Coaching. Just want to make sure that small business owners are being compliant. I know there's a lot happening. I'm a business coach, so I know, especially at the end of the year, people are preparing for Black Friday, end of the year sales, and tax preparation and closing out the end of their year so that they know how much money they spend and what they're going to have to pay in taxes. I know how busy it is at this time of the year, especially with it being holiday season. So I don't want you to miss that deadline. I want you to get that BOI report filed. If you just do not have the time, remember, we'll do it for $49, but we encourage you to go through the process yourself because it's not like you understanding that yourself. So, hey, again, Robert Dunbar, Coach Dunbar, signing off, TBD Coaching. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, the next webinar, the next training, and all my coaching clients and people that are in my group coaching programs. I look forward to seeing you sometime this week or next week. So see you guys later.